We are watching you.
I remember. You don't take that time for Abuja. Okay, not be here to protest. Now we protest for Abuja here. You get one person who call rich for who say everybody gather. They go say police. They go it wrong. If you see people on the touch breast, people take advantage of protest. They touch breast.
It's called
breast boys. More than that breast, I beg.
That's how you do.
I'm telling you.
Free. I love it. 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 Hey.
He didn't make any noise at all. Let me explain how to be single. So if you are here and you are single and you are proud of it, you are single. Single. Can you make some noise? Back and go. There is different territory. Just watch. If you are in Mexico, you are in Abuja. PVC. He asks again, what is PVC? I say permanent voter's card. He calls me, what do they use and do? I say, okay, then they use and vote. He calls me, which election? I say next year, 2023. He calls me, for which country? I say Uganda. Hey! Oh yeah, let's go, right hand up, let's go. Everybody. Hey, okay. Okay. Everybody, let's go. If I go to my business, okay. I'm gonna tell you the right one. Okay. My brother, I be your name. With PVC, you can list your head, they okay. When you want votes, the queue too long, show them your head. They will say, okay, go to the front. Your head will make way for you. List your head, we open doors. List your head. Help my destiny. Let someone invest in me. Yeah, you are going to blow. You are going to blow. But you know what? I have one advice for you. Not only are you going to get your PVC. So do you agree you get your PVC? Do you also agree that you're going to vote? Do you also agree that you're going to vote with your conscience? Should I tell you why? There's something these people don't tell you. Let me tell you. Listen. No sell your photo. Should I tell you why? No matter the thing that they tell you, no matter how the thing they do you, no matter how much money them go give you, no sell your photo. No need to fight, oh. Now so that they do, they go, they won't corner, they laugh you. One corner, one corner. Eh? No sell your photo. Meanwhile, how many of us want Baba to pour us holy water and bless our altar this season? Eh? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Turn it up.
Happy long day. I asked her who to tell, she said her daddy only. I don't know what to say, I don't know what to tell my mother. It be like say she gets better. But if you ask me, now who I go ask? The Lord sees so. Tell my start, running in the talk. He had me go out. If you ask me, no matter the ground, now who I go ask? This story where I talk, it be like say I did play. This story where I talk, it be like say I did play. But all this type of things that happens every day. To buy your vote, when suffer go hold you for 4, in fact not be 4 years now, 8 years because now automatic. Or who go they blow you? No employment. Mana. Una never tire. But that's one thing we are going to do. We are going to do it peacefully. We will make them understand that we are not angry youths. We are peaceful. So if you ask me, now who am
Abuja! I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you, Mama. I see you. I see you. I see you. Oh, man, I don't know what Baba, we need to ready this time. If not, like this, we're going to do. We don't want to do like this again. Hey! From the beginning of creation, there's been a lot of tribulation. Understand where I'm coming from, and you will see that this world that you live in is one big mighty prison. We're all on death row. We're just passing like a journey to wherever we go. Why don't we make that place heaven, and that heaven is this very Abuja that we are living in? So be a laughter in the air, people showing care, people changing attitudes this year. Peaceful people on the streets, nobody can shit teeth, no kind of unity, and we need this one. One love, one love. We're stuck together, we cannot live without each other. Follow, irrespective of the color, the religion or political order. My people who will embrace it.
Nigerian youths are mobilizing. They are telling us that this time they will be ready. They will be ready to be the driver of change. to drive positive change in this country. Your PVC is your power. Your vote is your power. Use it. Get out. Get out to register. Then get out to collect your PVC. And get out on the date of the elections to cast your vote. Because your vote will count. And your vote will make a difference. Don't give up your power. Don't sell your vote. If you sell your vote, you sell your future. Do you want to sell your future? If you don't want to sell your future, then make some noise. Don't vote for your leaders. Challenge them. Hold them accountable and stand for your values and for your positions. This is the way to build democracy. This is the way you can get a better governance, a better future, and a better Nigeria. Do you want a better Nigeria? No, you know how to do it. The European Union will stand by you. We will continue to support you, and we will continue to work together with you and with all Nigerians to make Nigerian democracy stronger. Now, this is the result of a great partnership. So let me briefly thank all the... And I would like to recognize the presence here with us of INEC Chair, Professor Yakubu. A big thank Director Samson Itodo. A big thank to all our partners from the civil...
I hope you are all very much enjoying yourselves. There is something we are going to do today. The chairman of INEC and all the commissioners are going to sing for you. But when I asked them to sing, they said, now old school they go sing. They know Sabi new school. So let me, on behalf of INEC and on behalf of all the commissioners, I want to thank you so much. The second thing is, you want to know, when will this registration end? Is it going to end on the 30th of June in the next 5 days? Okay, on behalf of INEC, let me assure you, it no go end for 30th June. For as long as we have you people trying to register to obtain your PVC, we'll continue to register you. And we'll continue to make sure that you get your PVCs. But listen to me. Listen to me. In this place, this is the old parade ground in Abuja. In the last 5 days, from Monday to yesterday, Friday, and we're still registering today, but in 5 days, we registered over 14,000 Nigerians in this place alone. Here in this place, we have 50 voter registration machines. 2 weeks ago, we deployed more machines to the states. More machines left yesterday, and more machines are leaving today, all over the country. By Monday, there will be more machines to register more Nigerians. So we will not stop the registration until we are satisfied that those who wish to register are given the opportunity to do so. Now, when will your PVCs be ready for collection? I want to assure you that the PVCs will be ready for collection latest October this year, long before the election. So all of you will have your PVCs. I want to thank you for making the PVC the most popular ID card in Nigeria today. Nothing beat the PVC. But when you collect your PVCs, don't use the PVCs for other things. The PVCs are for election, not opening of bank accounts. So please use your PVCs for election. So I want to ask you to promise me a few things. And I will also give you my own promise. On what we call the INEC result viewing portal. You are seeing the results from the polling units on election day in Ekiti State. Ekiti was good. Oshun is going to be better. 2023 will be the best. Your votes will count. But for those who have not registered, are you promising me that you will register? Are you promising me that you will collect your PVCs? Are you promising me that you will vote? Are you promising me that you will vote peacefully? Are you assuring me that you will not sell your votes? We promise you that your votes will count. Thank you so very much. Thank you, all the best. Thank you. Thank you all of you. Thank you. Thank you.